If you're on the hunt for a high-quality, non-stick frying pan that delivers exceptional performance, is safe for your health, and looks stunning in your kitchen, this Vermonga 11-inch non-stick granite coating frying pan deserves your attention. Designed with modern cooking needs in mind, this pan offers innovative features that cater to both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. In this comprehensive review, we'll dive deep into what makes this frying pan a must-have addition to your cookware collection. Why choose Vermonga? If you're still on the fence, let's summarize the standout features of this frying pan. 1. 4-layer granite coating, unmatched non-stick performance and durability. 2. Health-conscious design, free from harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, and PFOS. 3. Quick and even heating, perfect for professional and home cooking. 4. Easy to clean, dishwasher-safe, and low maintenance. 5. Customer-centric support, a brand that listens to its users and guarantees satisfaction. Durable granite non-stick coating for effortless cooking. The hallmark of any great frying pan lies in its non-stick performance, and Vermonga delivers with its 4-layer granite coating. Unlike ordinary non-stick pans, this frying pan ensures food slides off effortlessly, requiring little to no oil or butter. Imagine preparing the perfect omelette, sautéing vegetables, or pan-frying fish without worrying about food sticking or burning. The durable granite coating isn't just about convenience, it also enhances the pan's longevity, ensuring it stays non-stick even after extended use. Whether you're making eggs for breakfast or creating a stir-fry masterpiece, this pan provides a seamless cooking experience. Even heating with precise temperature control, cooking with Vermonga's frying pan guarantees consistent results every time. Its quick and even heating capabilities eliminate hot spots, which are common in lower-quality pans. This ensures that your food cooks evenly, preventing undercooked or overcooked portions. Whether you're searing meat or preparing delicate dishes like pancakes, the pan's advanced design adapts to your cooking needs. Compatible with gas stoves, electric burners, and induction cooktops, it's a versatile tool for every kitchen. Healthier cooking, greener living. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate Vermonga's commitment to safety. This frying pan is 100% free of PFAS, PFOA, and PFOS, harmful chemicals often found in traditional non-stick cookware. This makes it an excellent choice for families and individuals looking to minimize exposure to toxins while still enjoying the benefits of non-stick cooking. Using less oil in your recipes not only reduces calorie intake but also creates cleaner, smoke-free cooking. With Vermonga, you can embrace a greener, healthier lifestyle without compromising on taste or convenience. Ease of cleaning. A time saver in the kitchen. Cleaning up after cooking is often a chore, but not with the Vermonga frying pan. Its non-stick granite coating ensures that food residue doesn't cling, making cleanup a breeze. A soft sponge or dishcloth is all you need to wipe away grease and food particles effortlessly. For those who love the convenience of dishwashers, this pan is dishwasher-safe, although hand-washing with gentle tools is recommended to preserve the non-stick coating for years to come. Designed for professional and everyday use, Vermonga's frying pan is incredibly versatile. Whether you're a professional chef or someone who enjoys experimenting in the kitchen, this pan adapts to your needs. Its 11-inch size is ideal for a variety of dishes, from sautéing vegetables to preparing larger meals like stir-fries or chicken breasts. The pan's sleek granite design adds a touch of elegance to your cookware collection, making it not only functional but also visually appealing. Perfect for gifting. Whether it's for a housewarming party, a wedding, or a holiday gift, the Vermonga frying pan is a practical and thoughtful present. Its combination of functionality, aesthetic appeal, and health-conscious design makes it a gift that recipients will appreciate and use daily. Final thoughts. Should you buy the Vermonga frying pan? The Vermonga 11-inch non-stick granite coating frying pan is a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience. It combines modern technology, health-conscious features, and a stylish design, all at an affordable price. If you value durability, ease of use, and healthier cooking options, this pan is worth every penny. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.